Well, hello everyone. This is CS Harshandan Gaikwad from HGPA. I hope all of you are doing great. Well, there have been a lot of rumors in the CA students fraternity whether the July 20 examinations will be conducted or not. Well, ICA has issued a statement on its official website stating that the examinations will be conducted on schedule, that is from 29th of July 2020. But yes, it is also given an option to all those students, and this option is called as the opt-out facility. So what exactly is there in this statement? Let me take you through. For the first, the students who have already submitted the examinations forms and who are willing to sit for the July attempt will be allowed to sit for the July examinations. So ICA also states that this examinations will be conducted in a very safe manner globally. Secondly, the students who want to opt out, yes, they have a chance of opting out. This means that the attempt will be cancelled, this attempt will not be counted, and the fees will be carried forward in the November 20 examinations. Having said this, the exemptions which were being provided for July attempt will also be carried forward in the November 20 examinations. So all these facilities will be given to the students who have opted out. Having said all of this, yes, there is a window for choosing your option, whether it's opt-in or opt-out. This window opens from the 17th of June to 20th of June. That's right, 17th to 28th, 20, okay? So in these days, you have to mention your declaration whether it is opt-in or opt-out. Let me tell you one more thing. ICA also says that if you have opted out, this option will be irreversible. You will not be allowed to opt in again. So please, students, choose your decisions very wisely. And last point in the statement is that there will be one more official notification coming from ICA in the first week of July for the students who have opted in. So your notification will be the final notification whether ICA will conduct the examinations in July 20. So right now, what is coming out of the statement is that students can opt in for the examinations. Also, the students can opt out also for the examinations. The attempt will not be counted. The fees will be carried forward. The exemptions will also be carried forward. And the most important, this attempt will not be counted at all. Okay. So students, the dates are also important. The window is opening on the 17th to the 20th. Okay. So that's it. That is the latest announcement from ICA. Okay. Thank you so much and be safe. Bye.